gas him in if this shit don't stop. Stack money, not friends, that's how we rock. No 9 to 5, no need to clock.
It's your boy, Cashmernosweater, and I'm here with another video, you feel me? Y'all like and subscribe, and I already know what type of video we reacted to, you feel me? 5 scary videos filmed on doorbell cameras, you feel me? Let's see what this junk talking about. I'm finna start the screen recording. Remember, like and subscribe. All my socials in my description below. Let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Number 5.
Y'all subscribe to Chills.
What you're looking at is Santa Clarita, California during the tick fire of 2019.
Oh, that junk look like it's straight out of a movie.
Writes, the fire had just started and within minutes it surrounded our home.
Oh, heck no. Yo, what the fuck? Yo, that junk look like, hold on, let me fix this, make sure I look straight. But that junk look like the end of the world. That's what that junk look like.
People were evacuated only minutes.
I would have hopped in that whip and scurred off, you feel me? I would have been gone out of the state, you feel me? Out of the country, out of there.
Fire approached.
I would have got my kids, did. Fuck that fire.
Los Angeles Magazine reports that the tick fire burnt through several thousand acres and forced mass evacuation of some 40,000 people.
Dang, it was that big of a fire?
Luckily, no one was hurt in this video, and this family's home was miraculously saved.
Did anybody get hurt from that fire, bro? Y'all let me know, bro. If anybody got hurt from that, my condolences, you feel me? Stay safe out there. You never know what can happen. Even the earth might do some crazy shit, you feel me? Son. Oh, hell. Oh,
it's everyone's worst nightmare. A home intruder breaking in the middle of the night.
That's a home intrude? I thought that was a ghost. Oh, hell.
Hey, what do you need?
That's the homeowner's voice. This homeowner said he thought one of his son's friends was trying to get into the garage.
What do you need?
But then the man came into the house.
Oh, heck no.
Hey, what do you need, dude?
Sorry, I didn't mean to run into your house.
Who the f are you?
This nigga said, bro, this dude said, I ain't mean to run into your house. How? How?
Go it. Robbie.
The homeowner doesn't know how far the man entered into his house.
What the fuck is going on?
Somebody got the back door, dude. Yo. For real.
He ran out the front door to try and cut the man off, but he was gone.
I'm not joking, dude.
I know, I see the light. Look.
What the heck?
Number 3.
I don't know.
You can probably guess that this guy's not a construction worker.
Bro, people always at people's cribs just doing some shit. Like, stay wherever y'all be at, bro. Wherever y'all home invaders or wherever y'all be at, bro. Stay where you at, bro. Like, how is there so many doorbell cameras just catching these? Like, what is they plan, bro? There's a whole camera watching. Like, what are you doing? You feel me? Tweaking out.
He peers inside to see if anyone's home. Then he knocks again. He's looking a bit anxious. He tries to force the door.
What the heck wrong with Yo, humans,
notice he does so with a glove. No prints.
Humans be doing the most random things, bro. Like, what is he?
Finally satisfied that the home is empty, he waves over his partner in crime.
Man, F his partner of crime. And him.
Then he calls someone on the radio.
These motherfuckers got a radio.
His partner arrives.
What the heck is...
Armed with the tools to break in.
Do they not see the camera?
In short order, they try and force the door.
They are bad.
But their plan is soon thwarted.
Get away from the door.
Yeah, he told his ass to get away from the door. They started. Yeah, they started dipping. Oh, let me skip out here.
The homeowner was alerted on their phone and confronted the men through their doorbell camera.
I guess
chasing
that
them away.
confirmed they didn't see the camera, bro. I don't know how. Like, I feel like that's like the first thing you should look for if you try to rob a crib. You feel me? Like cameras. Like, what are you doing, bro? They got out of there. Uh-oh.
And triggering an alarm.
That loud alarm.
Number 2.
What the?
Would you open the door if the police came dressed like this? These two suspicious men are trying to pull one over on this homeowner. They're knocking at 3 in the morning.
Yeah, they trying to get up. They trying to rob motherfucker. Look at them. I would have popped his ass out the window.
When they finally speak, they claim to be from CPD or Columbus Police Department.
CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
Nah. Bro. Humans be killing me, man. They be killing me. This nigga says CPD. It's a whole camera.
I don't think he's wearing that mask because he's sick.
There's some sound effects boosting.
He tries again. At last, he gets an answer.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
Bro said, can I help you?
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
Obviously, the homeowner knows what's going on, but these guys are oblivious. They get into position.
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Bro, did they
Meanwhile,
think
the
that was gonna
homeowners-
work? Like, I never heard a home invader say CPD and is on camera with that fit on. They could have at least had the fit on if they was gonna say that. Had the whole police attire, you feel me? They don't even have that on. Like, I don't know what they thought. Like, they could be stupid.
Called the cops.
Motherfucker be stupid.
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay.
He got scared when he said
According
that.
to city data, Columbus, Ohio has a crime rate 1.3 times higher than the U.S. average. There were 641 burglaries per 100,000 residents in 2019.
They still standing there thinking that plan CPD was gonna work. Look at them. They look stupid.
They try knocking again.
Bro took his mask off.
CPD, open the door.
Little do they know, the real CPD is on the way.
Bro called cops on a stoop. Yo, they stupid, I ain't gonna lie. It's funny, low-key. It's not even scary.
Finally, they give up, and they walk away empty-handed.
They really thought that was gonna work.
Number 1. A tornado tore through Kentucky, and this doorbell camera bore witness. If you don't think what you're seeing deserves the number 1 spot, then listen to this.
Oh, hell. Oh, shit. Yo, I paused that junk at the craziest time, but if y'all ever been in, like, a tornado or anything, bro, God bless your heart, bro, because that junk is scary. Like, it's literally almost nothing you could do. You just gotta, I don't know. I don't even know what to do. I've never been in that situation, but if you have, shout out to you. You feel me? That junk is crazy, man. This junk is crazy. Oh, I know the word. My fault. I keep pausing it. It's natural disaster. That's the word. Holy mother. This nigga driving. There's always somebody driving in the tornado. Oh shit.
This has been documented
who the heck
reality.
just pulled in the driveway though? Was that bro? With the doorbell camera? You feel me? Or was that a home invader?
Thank you to these individuals for allowing me to share their story.
Oh, I'm watching that one next.
Watch the last episode
Ain't
here.
gonna lie. But yeah, shout out Chills, you feel me? Y'all like and subscribe here, and y'all go like and subscribe at Chills, you feel me? Both videos. Shout out to that man. Original video gonna be in my link. But yeah, man, that vid was funny and crazy at the same time. You know, the natural disasters is always crazy to me, you feel me? Because it's the earth doing it, you feel me? Like, there's not no human, like, you can't stop it for real, like, literally. So, but the home invaders, they literally are stupid, like, dead dumb, like. Bro said CPD. Is CPD open up, like, with no CPD attire, no cops attire at all, like. They're pretty pathetic if you ask me. I wonder if they ever got caught for that. But yeah, y'all like, subscribe. It's your boy Cashmernosweater, and I'm out.
We got him, shot him and chopped him. That nigga is pussy, he don't wanna study. Niggas in the gang and started a panic. Fucked on that Cali, bitch, I full of plastic. I need me a bitch who just gon' keep it classic. Stun on y'all niggas get happy. Stacking my money, should've been on that map.